In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shared links to files or folders in Dropbox so that people who previously had the link can no longer access it. This is an essential skill for maintaining the security and privacy of your documents, and it's quite simple once you get the hang of it. Let's get started by heading over to Dropbox.com. Make sure you're signed in with your account details. If everything's set and you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you should see an option labeled Shared. If you can't spot it right away, don't worry. Just look for the More button and click on it, and the Shared tab should appear. This section offers a view of all the items you've shared with others, and it's where you'll take action to remove those links. Once you're in the Shared section, find the specific file or folder you want to stop sharing the link to. As you hover over that item, you'll notice a set of 3 dots appear. This icon represents More options. Go ahead and click on it, and from the list of actions that come up, select Share. A dialog box will open up, revealing a variety of options related to sharing settings. What you're looking for here is the gear icon, which can also be labeled as Settings. It's typically located in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Click on the gear icon to navigate to the link settings. When you're in these settings, you'll notice sections labeled Link for Viewing or Link for Editing. Depending on what you previously shared, a view only or an editable link, you'll take action here. To discontinue access, simply click on Delete Link under the relevant section. Once you've selected Delete Link, a prompt will ask for your confirmation. Confirm your choice by clicking Delete. And that's it. You've successfully removed the shared link. From now on, anyone trying to access that file or folder using the old link will encounter an error message, or simply won't be able to proceed, effectively blocking unwarranted or outdated access. Implementing this process is a great way to ensure that only the right people have access to your files when you want them to, and to prevent old links from granting unintended access to your Dropbox content. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your digital life.